कहीं बैठे वहां तक आपको सब मिलेगा ऐसा, मगर अपना अपना स्वास्थ्य के हिसाब से लोगों को खाना है। श्री डेरेक ब्रेन, Trinamool. प्लीज डेरेक जी, प्लीज बोलिए, बैठ जाए।
Sir,
प्लीज प्लीज, हाँ डेरेक।
just after independence in undivided Andhra Pradesh, those who owned agricultural land were, how do they show how well off they are, how important they are in that area? They had a very interesting way of showing. They didn't show, it's just that they had the number of bullocks you owned, the number of pairs of bullocks you owned. So if you owned 2 pairs of bullocks, you were quite well off. If you owned 4 pairs of bullocks, you were even better off. And a few families owned 6 or 8 pairs of bullocks. So one such family owned 8 pairs of bullocks. So good so far. But one day, one of these bullocks, the animals, they went totally nutty, and the bullock actually gorged a lady in the stomach. The lady was carrying a baby or a 1-year-old boy. Dropped the child, obviously. The lady was taken to the hospital and the lady passed away. And the child lost his mother at the age of 1. This is your story, sir, of an early loss. And from that early loss, you have done whatever you have done, which we can find in not only Wikipedia entries, but in a glorious career you have had. And I don't want to go there today because I think we have